Yes, in New York, y'all. We in Harlem, y'all. Harlem, where Mace from. Mace and Betha.
New York.
So you look. Hey, y'all.
You got me recording myself.
We in Harlem. We on our way to JUNIE Bee Nails. And then we got some good things coming for the rest of the day. So y'all following us. Y'all rocking with us today. Here, JUNIE Bee Nails.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Oh,
Before they get cold.
No, I like them like this.
They came out cute. Is it focused? Focus, ho. I think it is.
Yeah, get my little bracelet.
Yeah, that came out real cute. It's all into this shit.
That little boy.
Why didn't I have a camera rolling though?
That's what I'm at. Lisa! You vlogging the wrong.
Why didn't I have a camera rolling?
Lisa, that would have been good.
Girl, too good.
Too good.
Hi. I'm so sick I didn't get it. We got chips on. I don't know, girl. I don't even know if we gonna eat there. Oh, they got nacho twisters. Remember these?
What if we would eat? But what if it is like a little restaurant we want to eat something?
I don't know. That's why I'm just gonna get a bag of chips. I ain't gonna do too much.
Right.
That dude said you need some young meat in your life.
He's like, I gotta eat.
No, I didn't hear what he was saying.
I was like, this older boy was cracking the fuck up. At least I wish you would have got me.
Got to get some chips. You trying to sell. What should we get? Should we get something to drink? I don't want to have to pee, but you want to take a picture with me? Should I? Oh, I should just get me a little can or something. I don't know yet.
How you be when you get your nails done?
Honey, yeah. Oh my God. They ain't even call though. They probably ain't even gonna call.
Girl.
That was unprofessional.
Bitch, I really like this.
And I was trying to give them the benefit of the doubt.
Bitch, I really like this because look, it's actually changing color. Like
I know.
I'm
It's about
liking
to be butterscotch again.
I know.
They got your
That
life,
is
they got
nice.
your lifesavers.
I know, but I got some in the car.
You do? Alright, y'all, so we finally got our nails done. I'm trying to make this beat last all day. I used the Urban Decay Make It Last All Night setting spray. So supposedly this setting spray is supposed to last 20 hours or something. It's like a long time, might be 18. Don't quote me on it. But anyway, y'all, this beat gotta last all day because I've been in the city all day. And y'all know, oh, y'all don't know, I didn't tell y'all. So I'm going to this new TV show premiere that Kim Kardashian came out with us. Anyway, it's a TV show called Glam Masters. And tonight is the premiere party. So we are in New York to check out the premiere party. How you doing? So the premiere party is tonight. So we are about to do a few things. And then we will be headed in that direction. So hopefully I can get some footage for you guys. If not, that's gonna be too big. But wasn't Teyana Taylor salon super cute? That was so cute, so cute. That's why I went with the 90s inspired nails. But oh my God, it's cold. I left my leather jacket. So we about to get out of here, y'all. I'll talk to y'all in a few.
Close to see the sun, but clouds got in
to this movie premiere event. I had to change my shoes, y'all. I need to put on my shoes. Excuse me.
You too, be safe at home.
The beauty is something that comes from that confidence. Like, I am fabulous how I am, and whatever that look is, anybody can, if they can blend and put their lashes on, but not that.
Is that a headshot?
It's the front.
Influencers and makeup artists on Earth. The beauty world is booming. It's a $500 billion a year, and thanks to social media, makeup trends can be set by anyone, anywhere. Years when my look was a little busted and I didn't realize it.
Hello.
I felt lovely. I felt lovely, and that's when people felt that. And people felt the aspiration of it all. And so that's, for me, the beauty is about owning whatever it is you're rocking and rocking it hard.
You need something that's different. The imperfections are beautiful. I love a woman with no makeup and a shaved head. I think that's beautiful. Just as beautiful as a bunch of hair and a bunch of eyelashes.
Got this big bag full of stuff like flat irons, ceramics, all kinds of benefit stuff. Like literally all kinds of stuff in here. Don't worry about my shoes and stuff. So I will show you guys that stuff soon. Get all these goodies from this goodie bag, y'all. $250 gift voucher. The Pore Professional Pore Primer. 24-hour brow setter. Man, look at all this stuff. Good stuff. MAC lipstick, eyeshadow, lashes. The new bad got mascara. Everything. This event was everything. Hey Angel, so I'm finally home, and I'm just gonna have to do a sit down video and tell you guys how the rest of the event went and everything like that, because I had a long drive home. My drive was 2 hours long, so I just wanted to get on the road. But I got some goodies too to show you guys. Anyway, guys, we need to have a deep conversation. So I will connect with you tomorrow. If either I will add an additional clip onto this vlog, or I'll just leave this vlog like this and start a whole new video just to sit down about how the event was and stuff like that. So see you guys in my next video. Bye, Angels.